The front wheel support assembly is used to set the vacuum's height, so it will work on a variety of different flooring types. It is adjusted up and down by the height adjustment lever. The most common problems with the front wheel support assembly are broken wheels or a broken bracket. Replacing the front wheel support assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the bottom cover from around the agitator. Now I can remove the front wheel support assembly. First, I'll relieve the tension from the spring. I'll pull the spring back and off to the side. Now the front wheel support assembly will pivot down and I can pull it away from the vacuum. Here I have the new front wheel support assembly. I'll transfer the spring from the old part to the new. I'll place the inner leg of the spring into the slit inside the bottom of the vacuum. I'll lift the other leg of the spring up so it's pointing towards the agitator. I'll insert the pins on either side of the assembly into the receivers on the vacuum and then push the wheel assembly up. Now I'll grab the spring with my needle nose pliers and pull the leg around so it fits underneath the bracket. I'll line the bottom cover with the vacuum and secure it with the screws. And now you know how to install a new front wheel support assembly in your vacuum. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.